In this video, we're now going to talk about how to add images and how to add videos into a page or system inside 1Brain. So again, super simple to do so. We're going to jump across to the system that we've been editing here. And in order to add in an image, we first of all just find the location where we want to put the image, and then we're going to click at the top where it says add image. And what we can do is we can just drop and drag the image into here. And that's one option. The other is if it's already hosted somewhere, we can drop and paste in the URL. But as long as the link is actually an open link or a shareable or a public link, it will work. If it's in a private location and the link is non-shareable, then it won't actually appear. So you need to make sure that the settings are right. There's also something that we're working on, the ability to create images using AI, which is a feature that's still in progress. And then this is also the image library of ones that you've uploaded previously. Otherwise, if it's uploading a new image, we just simply take the image, we drop and drag it in, and then once it's in, it will appear here. We then click on the image, and then we click on Add. And then once we have done so, the image will appear there. And then from there, we can actually make it as big or as small as we like. So we're going to try and use the full width here. So we're going to make it as big as we possibly can. And now we have our image there that is looking good. So that's how we add in an image. Very, very simple and easy to do so. And that could be a screenshot. It could be a map. It could be any type of information that you want. You can embed that any images in there. It also could be a GIF image as well. Now, the next thing that we're going to be adding in is a video. Now, with regards to videos, we don't suggest, in fact, we don't allow you to upload videos directly because file sizes can be very huge and so many different types of file formats. So we instead recommend that you host the videos somewhere else. That could be YouTube, that could be Vimeo, that could be Wistia, that could be Google Drive, that could also be OneDrive or Dropbox or Loom. So we integrate with all of those different systems. And so what you do is you host the video somewhere. So I've hosted it inside my Loom account, or it could be YouTube, for example, or inside your Google Drive account. At the same process, you get the link, and then we're going to jump back over to here, and we're going to click on where we want it to be, and then we click on Add Video, and we got two ways to do it. One is we can just cut and paste in the URL, but if you want to infuse it by making it start at a certain point, for example, or you want to edit it in a certain type of way, you can also add in this specific embed code. But in this case, I'm just going to put in purely the URL, and I then click on embed, and that video will then appear. Now, the default is 16:9, which is normal landscape format. But if I want to change it, I can then grab the edge of that video and I can manipulate it if I want to change it to a different size. And that's it. So all we then do is we click on publish, and we now have a video that has been embedded. And we have an image that's been embedded as well. Now, that doesn't normally supposed to go there, but it was just an example. And we can also add in videos from YouTube or anywhere else as well, following the same process. You do need to make sure if, for example, you're embedding a YouTube video, that video has either been set to like shareable or public, and then it will be able to be embedded, or even unlisted. If it's private, then it won't be able to be dropped in. But if you don't want it to be shareable on YouTube, that's fine, but you then just make it unlisted. Once it's unlisted, you'll still be able to then embed it, and it will appear right here. So that is how to embed photos and videos inside of a 1Brain page.